In this video, I'm going to show you how you could do 4 divided by 2 digit. And as usual, we need to determine how many columns the answer is going to span across. So that is to do with counting how many digits is there on the dividend and how many digits on the divisor. When we're dividing means take away. So in this case, is 4 digit, take away 2 digit. And the answer is going to span across 2 digit. If you remember, there is an exception to the rule. The next thing you then need to do, because we're dividing by double digit, then you need to look at the first 2 digits of the dividend. If it's bigger than what you're dividing, then you need to add one more column. So in this case, this one is going to, the answer going to span across 3 columns. Now, before you start attempting a division by double digit, you need to be good at your 2 by 1 digit multiplication, because you'll need to work out the answer. It's a bit of estimation required when you're dividing by double digit. It's slightly harder than the dividing by single digit. So let's start by saying how many 52 goes into 99. The answer going to be 1. Then you take away 52 from your soroban. Now what's left is 478. In this case, then you need to work out in your head how many 52s will go into 478. What I would suggest is to look at this 50 and say how many 50s can go into this 40 here, or 400. Try with 8, so you need to work out. This is a process of estimation, but it's a clever guess. So you do 52 times 8. Now this is where the answer required is 460. Now that is just way too small compared to 478. So I think we need to increase it by one more digit. Do 52 times 9 is 468. And that's getting closer now. So you can put 9 there. And take away 4, 6, take away 8. And now notice there is this 104 left. So how many 52 into 104 is actually 2? So the answer is 192 for this case. And the next thing, what we need to do is to work on another question. For example, 1638 divided by 39. Again, 4 digit minus 2 digit. The answer is going to span across 2 digit. And then check if there is an exception to the rule. If the 2 digit of the dividend is bigger than the divisor, which is not the case. Therefore, the answer to this case will be double digit. As usual, do how many 39 can go into 16? Just double check. None. Then you need to look across 3 columns now. Then you say how many 39 can go into 163? Approximate by using the 30. How many 30 into 120? That will be 4. So try out 39. Work it out, Anzan. Times 4 is 156. And that is close enough. So take away 1, 5. Take away 6, take away 10, add 4 back. Okay. So the first digit answer is 4 on the 40 column, on the tens column. And then what remains is 78. So you say how many 39 goes into 78, and that will be 2. Put 2 here as well. And so take away 78, and that is your answer in this case, 42.